Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
PLR Printables review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this training program called the PLR Printables. So this is the PLR Printables review, and right now we are on the sales page where it says get your cut off the newest hottest passive income method of 2022. Discover how to cash in on these passive one-page printables that you put up once and they generate passive income forever, and you don't even have to create them yourself. The hottest way to make a passive income right now. No long ebooks, no investing, no website, no experience, no fancy tool, no paid traffic, no college degree, no Facebook ads, no videos, no complicated sales copy. And you're supposed to watch this introduction video from, let me check the name, I guess it's Debbie or Deborah, right? So yeah, she's launching this product. Well, by the way, this PLR Printables was launched last year on, when was that? Let me scroll down. It was here, 25th of May 2021. So this is not a new launch. It's not launching today. It has launched, well over 1 year before, but looks like it's a good product. And if it's a good product, you can sell it, again and again. I don't have any problem. Okay, so let me go and check the profile of the vendor, Debbie Drum. Okay, so you can see she has 4 point or maybe 3.51. And this one in particular, PLR Printables, you can see here 1,000+ copies sold. And yeah, so 3.7, it's fair enough, not good, it's not bad. Yeah, it's fair enough. Okay, so you can go and buy this, but this is only catering a micro niche. Micro niche means that you will be learning some tricks and techniques or the process how to sell these one-page printables and make some money. I am not from this field, so I have no clue what she's going to teach you, and I'm hardly interested, but this program is good enough for you to buy if you have the interest into printables. Rest you can check out all the information on the sales page here, who is she and what you will be learning inside this course. Okay, so this one simple doc has made over 6K and continues to bring passive income. Okay, so she was selling this where? I don't know where. Okay, so yeah, I guess this is the print out, and this masked picture I think has been sold for $5. I have no idea. Okay, so you will learn everything inside the course, but yes, it's about designing some printables like these and sell them on websites like etsy.com. Mainly it will be about etsy.com. Okay, now you have to go and make your profile, list all these printables, and if somebody comes and buy, then you make money. Okay, if they don't buy, you make nothing, right? So this method involves people to buy something from you. Rest again, go and check everything. Some people can make this work. Some people might not even know what to do inside this program. Okay, so for example, I have least interest in doing this printables, whatever. Okay, this could be a good method. I just don't have any interest. Okay, so it's all about your interest. Which method you want to apply or try or master and learn to make money online. For me, this will never be the method to make money on the internet. Again, I'm clarifying, it's me who doesn't want to do this, but she's making money, I guess, with this. And if you are interested in learning how to make money with this PLR Printables, you may go and try this course. Okay, and also I will tell you why I am not interested personally into anything else on the internet, because I am already using the #1 free method to make money online, which is YouTube. which is what I'm doing right now. I'm recording this YouTube video, you're watching this YouTube video, and we are done. Okay, so I'm recording this video, and in this video you must have seen some ads in the beginning. You have clicked on skip and now you're watching my video. So these ads make me money. Okay, so whether I sell you this PLR printables or not, whether you buy this from me or not, I still, or rather my videos still make money for me without selling anything. And I have so much peace of mind you cannot imagine. Okay, because I do not have to go and check my those accounts again and again that, okay, did I get a sale? I don't have to go and check my emails that did I get a sale, because I know if I record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, how many videos I can possibly. Okay, I know for sure that if I go and record videos today, then tomorrow YouTube will pay me something because those videos will be getting some views. Okay, this is so bloody peaceful. Understanding, guys? If somebody is making money without selling anything, that is the best peace of mind you will have on the internet. Okay, so if you really want to make money on YouTube the way I am making it by creating these videos, then you can check out the first link below here. It says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and click on show more. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days maximum. And in order to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get them in 2 weeks only. Okay, so everything will be done maximum within 30 days, and that means from next month onwards, your job is pretty simple. Make videos every day, upload them. Those videos will be getting some views, and they will be earning some money. Okay, if you want to see proofs how much money you can potentially make, you can click on the link here, and you will find all the proofs on the next page, right? However, I'll show you some otos about printables. Before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, because these buttons are for you people. Okay, I cannot go and subscribe to my own channel. That's a problem, right? So when you become a YouTuber tomorrow, you cannot subscribe to your own channel. You have to ask other people to subscribe to you. That's the point. That's the whole point of running a YouTube channel. Okay, so hit the subscribe button. It's free, by the way. It is absolutely free. Subscribe, like, and if you want to contribute or support this channel, then you can use the super thanks button and leave your colorful comments. Okay, so PLR Printables, it caters a micro niche only who are interested in selling something on Etsy, and those has to be printables. If you want to know the if you want to know all the information, how to do everything, go and get this. If not, then YouTube is always there. Okay, but before that, we have what? We have these otos, I guess. So this is front end, will cost you $17. Then you have, let me check if I have some otos here at your discretion, or maybe not. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Let me see. Okay, this is a very simple funnel. So this is what? Push button journals, fast printable creation. So it doesn't make sense to me what they're offering, but these are the otos, by the way. Okay, so when you will be buying the front end, then you will be taken through all these relevant sales pages. So you can check all the features on those sales pages, and then you can grab whatever you like. Otherwise, you can skip everything. And if you skip everything, you can still make money on YouTube just like me. I'm giving you 2 examples here again. If I don't buy printables, this YouTube video which I have recorded is still gonna make money. If you do not buy this PLR printables from my YouTube link, still this video which I have recorded is gonna make money for me. I am into a win-win situation. Okay, whether I buy this or not, whether you buy this from me or not, I'm still making my money. So who wins? YouTube wins. Okay, because YouTube is your partner, business partner. So YouTube pays me whatever, like half of the amount. So if you want to understand everything about YouTube, how to make money with free traffic, how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and how to make money on YouTube without selling anything, everything is covered inside Traffic Jarvis. You can click on it and you can check all the details on the next page. And also I will talk about how to make money with email marketing for people who are interested into email marketing. So yeah, PLR Printables, good for people who know what they're doing. Personal suggestion will be start a YouTube channel, absolutely free to start, but you need the knowledge. You can get the knowledge from Traffic Jarvis. Subscribe, and now let me show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis and email marketing. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube, Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kish tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kish tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kish tracking training. And this Kish tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.